These chickens are getting ready to roost for the night. And yes, chickens can snore. Just like humans and other animals, chickens sometimes make snoring sounds when they sleep. It's often a soft, rhythmic noise that occurs when they're in a deep sleep. Snoring in chickens can happen for various reasons, such as how they're positioned while sleeping, the way air flows through their respiratory system, or if there's some obstruction in their nasal passages. While it's generally harmless, persistent or loud snoring could indicate a respiratory issue, and it might be worth checking with a vet. But overall, if you hear your chicken snoring softly, it's likely just a sign they're enjoying a peaceful rest, just like this chicken here.